Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing Dropbox and signing in so files sync immediately. First, confirm Windows 11 is up to date and you have admin rights. That avoids installer blocks. Next, run the Microsoft Store or downloaded exe and follow prompts to install. When prompted, sign in with your Dropbox credentials or create an account. This links your device to cloud storage. Once done, the Dropbox icon appears in the taskbar, and the app opens to the home view. Now you configure how Dropbox stores files on your PC so you control disk usage and access. Open Preferences from the taskbar icon, then choose Location to move the Dropbox folder if you need it on another drive. Next, use Selective Sync to pick which folders are local. This prevents low disk errors. Enable Smart Sync to keep files online only until you open them. Also turn on Camera Uploads, or LAN Sync, if you want automatic transfers between devices. Finish by learning daily workflows and a quick fix for issues so you stay productive. You can drag files into the Dropbox folder to sync, then right-click to create share links or manage access permissions. Use View on Dropbox to confirm. If syncing stalls, pause and resume or relink your account from Preferences. That resolves token or auth issues. Make sure the app is updated, examine conflict files and notifications, and restart the client as a reliable final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.